already spoken to you. Of course I'm Hriday's wife. Have you brought the money?
Yes, it is 2.5 million.
Where is it? Go and bring it.
It's in the car.
So what are you waiting for? Bring it to me.
And what if I don't give the money?
Mohan, Aunt Kaveri and Damini found out about our plan. That's why they sent these fake police officers so that they could kill
How
Ketki.
do you know that?
Aunt Kaveri told me that herself.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? How could you raise your hand to an old woman? Don't you have a heart, Radha?
I will call the doctor.
Yes, please hurry
If
up.
Mohan calls the doctor, everyone will find out that mom is acting.
The things you accused Damini of couldn't be proven by any of you. Am I right or not?
Let it be, Mohan. You are apologizing to me out of helplessness. You are doing this for your daughter's sake, right?
If she wants to leave, then let her go, Mohan. You don't have to stop her. It's all a pretense and nothing else. Because if Damini leaves, this family will be free of all the problems. Let her go.
Damini, I admit that what I did to you was wrong. I know it now. But I'm not so bad that you have to marry me for the sake of Gungun. And I'm not apologizing to my future wife or Gungun's future mother, but my friend whom I doubted.
Mohan,
By that friend Damini, who from school to college and from college to till date has always loved me. Who took care of me after Tulsi's death, who took care of my house, my family, and even my business. And she didn't expect anything in return. The girl who devoted her life to me with the hope that I would understand her love. Damini, whether I understand your love or not, but I understood that you cannot do wrong to my family. And neither you will allow it. Damini, I'm sorry. I made a huge mistake. Forgive me, please. I'm sorry.
Please forgive me. I am sorry. It's so easy to say all this, right, Mohan? First we insult people, doubt their intentions, and later we apologize to them. We break someone's heart and then we apologize. We make someone's true love seems like a joke and then we apologize. No, Mohan. Today, I won't listen to you at all. So, let's end all this. Anyway, no one here wants me to marry Mohan, am I right? So be it. Congratulations, Radha. Today you won and I lost. I will not gonna marry your Mohan. To hell with you, your Radha, and all this your family. I am all done. I am leaving.
No, Damini, please stop. Who told you all these things? We all want you to get married to Mohan. Sister, why are you standing still? Please reason with Damini. What is she saying? Convince her.
No, Kadambari. The way your lovely Radha has beaten me up. After that, I will not reason with anyone. We are done.
Let's go, Mom.
Damini. Damini, I know all of us have wronged you, Damini. But I promise that you won't endure the things you have been through again. In your life, you will only be loved now, Damini. I apologize to you for every mistake that I have made. And I accept you. And this relationship with all my heart. Please stay for the sake of our childhood friendship, Damini.
It's time to turn around, Damini. Turn.
Mohan, you know, you shouldn't have mentioned our childhood friendship here.
What have you done, Mohan? You're bringing the very person who can destroy your home back into your family. What you did is wrong, Mohan. You have made a grave mistake.
But tell me one thing, Mohan. Whatever you just said about accepting me and our relationship with all your heart, did you really mean it?
Yeah, I meant it, Damini.
All right then. I will stay in that case. But I have one condition, Mohan. Radha won't stay in this house.
Radha won't go anywhere.
Then I won't marry your dad, Gundu.
What are you saying?
What are you saying, Mohan? Are you still taking Radha's side after what happened? Look at my mother's condition. You saw what Radha did to my mom, and then also. You tell me, if the same had happened to your mom, then I'm sorry for saying this. Would you have said the same thing? What is the meaning of this? Your mom's dignity means everything to you. Doesn't my mom's dignity means anything? I tolerated it when Radha raised her hand. She hurled accusations at me and I tolerated that too. But this is about my mom's respect. Today I won't stand it. If anyone disrespects her, this wedding will happen only if Radha leaves.
Mohan, this is another one of Damini's tricks. She is trying to mislead us. She doesn't want me to stay here. She wants me out of here to prevent me from exposing her.
Expose us, Radha. I am glad you brought that up this time, Radha. I don't know about myself, but today you will be exposed in front of everyone.
What do you mean, Damini?
Mom, give me my phone.
Here you go.
What are you doing here? Mohan asked you not to come here. What if someone sees you?
Oh, Radha, I'll go away in a minute. But I want to ask you something.
What do you want to ask?
Radha, you are the one who says that Lord Krishna only helps good people.
Yes, I have said that.
So that day when you were unconscious, Did Lord Krishna help you perform the wedding rituals?
No, Gungun. It wasn't Lord Krishna who helped me.
That means there is really a ghost in the house. I had overheard Dulari and Aunt Damini talk about a ghost.
I don't know what to say to Gungun. If I tell her that an invisible power helped me to perform the rituals with Mohan, she will get scared. She will start believing in ghosts. And if I tell her that Lord Krishna helped me perform the rituals, her faith in Lord Krishna will turn into a superstition. Then she will start believing that in future only Lord Krishna will solve all her problems. She will never strive to solve her own problems. Children are like wet cement. Everything we say them makes an impression on them. Forgive me, Lord Krishna. I don't have a choice but to lie to Gungun right now. Gungun, what are you saying? Ghosts and spirits don't exist, so don't believe in all that. And what does Lord Krishna say? He helps only those people who help themselves. So, don't tell anyone what I am about to say to you, okay? That day I was doing the wedding rituals of my own accord. No one helped me, Gungun.
That means you were pretending to be unconscious? Wow, you are such an amazing actor.
Yes, something like that. Please go, Gungun. Someone might see you. We'll get into trouble again. Please go.
Fine, I will go.
Go and close the door on your way out. I mean, shut the
Whether
windows.
Lord Krishna helps you or not, you have certainly helped us a lot. I will show this recording to the right people and at the right time. Now see my magic.
Mohan, please believe me. They are lying to you. What you say is not true. None of this ever happened.
Radha.
Grandma.
Greetings, Aunt. What are you? What brings you here all of a sudden?
Mother, actually, I am the one who called them here. So that they could take Radha home.
What?
Radha, let's go home. You've stayed here long enough. Let's go home.
No, Grandma. I can't go home. I won't leave until I show Damini for who she is.
Mohan, today you need to make a decision. What do you want? Do you want Radha's friendship or Damini's love? You have to choose between Radha and Damini. Do you trust Radha or Damini Mohan?
Mohan. Damini is absolutely right. Radha needs to leave this house.
No, Mohan. Please don't let Radha go from the house.
Mohan, Radha has always wanted what's best for our family. Please, Mohan, please stop Radha. Don't let her go.
Mohan, don't let Radha go. Understand, you and this family need Radha.
I am sure that Radha is telling nothing but truth.
Mohan, Radha doesn't let any of Damini's evil plans succeed. If Radha goes away, all the obstacles will be removed from Damini's path. She will wreak havoc here without any restrictions. My blessings are with you.
Grandma, Uncle, please take Radha back with you.
Yes, Mohan. We are here to take Radha home. And you asked us to do the same. So then, there is no reason for Radha to stay here. I will take Radha home right away.
No, I won't go.
Radha, you have to come with us. I made the mistake of letting you stay here once. I won't repeat that mistake.
Grandma!
Radha, when you told me that you were in love with Mohan, I should have taken you home right then.
What? You knew about this?
I'm sure she knew. I was already saying that this entire family is involved. They knew you were a wealthy guy and they sent her to charm you.
Aunt Kaveri,
Aunt Kaveri! You can say anything to me. But don't make the mistake of saying anything to my dad and grandma. And I won't tolerate it.
Did you hear that? If this was not enough.
Radha, let's go from here. It was a mistake to let you stay here. And now we saw the consequences. The whole family wants you out of here. Let's go, my dear. Enough is enough.
Grandma, I can't go with you. Please understand. Mohan needs me, Grandma.
Radha, understand this. Mohan has needed Radha. In every incarnation he was born as. But they never unite. Radha, you'll never get to be with Mohan.
I don't want to be with Mohan. I just want his safety.
Mohan can protect himself. You are coming with us. I'm going inside to get your stuff.
No, Grandma. Grandma!
Hey, why won't you go? This is our house, understand? And Mohan too has asked you to leave. It seems you won't leave so easily. I'll have to use my methods to throw you out of this house. Just wait. I will...
Then I will have to make you understand in my way. Don't get involved in this.
But Mohan...
She is living with her grandma and dad. Let her go, Rahul.
Mohan still has sympathy for Radha.
Sympathy, my foot. Just be grateful that Mohan is ready to throw that foolish Radha out of this house.
Rahul, this might be your house, but this is my family as well. I also have a relationship, and I cannot let go of those relationships.
Mohan, please don't let Radha go. Look how much she loves you. Mohan, please don't do this.
Aunt Kadambari, I know that you are very angry with me right now. And I also know that you know that I never wished bad for this family. So, please keep me from leaving, Aunt. Aunt. Uncle, both you and I know that this wedding is not good for Mohan. Don't let this wedding take place. Uncle? Brother Rahul, I know that you think that I caused a rift and created misunderstanding between you and Mohan. You think I am the reason. But believe me, Rahul, I swear to Lord Krishna that I have done no such thing. Don't ask me to leave. I beg of you, Rahul. Brother Ajit, tell me, did I ever wish bad things for any members of this family? Did I ever do anything bad to anyone? Ketki and Gungun support me, so all of you support me as well, please. Please make Mohan understand.
Somebody stop Radha from leaving. If she leaves this house, then what will become of Gungun? What will happen to Mohan? Let's go, Radha.
Super Granny, please don't take Radha away. I cannot live without Radha. Please.
Gungun, I must take Radha with me this time. I'm completely helpless. How many times will you separate my daughter from her mother? Radha is Gungun's second chance to get motherly affection. Please don't do this. Don't separate Gungun from her mother. Mohan, do something. Please stop Radha from leaving. Let's go, Radha. Radha.
No,
Come
Grandma,
on, let's go.
No, Grandma, please understand. I cannot go. I cannot go with you.
See, look at her. The whole family is telling you to leave this house. But no, she doesn't want to move out of this house. Is this what you have taught Radha?
Did you see that? I am being humiliated because of you. I told you before that Mohan might be in your life, but he's not in your destiny. Aren't you upset to see Mohan marrying someone else? You won't get him. You'll be left with nothing but regret. But you don't listen to me. Did you see the outcome? We are being humiliated so much. Let go of your obsession and forget about Mohan. I beg you, Radha, come with us.
That's enough, Radha. Don't embarrass us any further. Come, let's go.
Dad, Grandma, I know that both of you were disrespected a lot because of me, and it's still happening. But this is not about you and me. This is about Mohan's life. This is about Gungun's life. Let alone my self respect. I would give my life for them. And Damini is not the right girl for him.
You might be right. That's his fate. We cannot change his fate. And we have nothing to do with this family anymore. We have nothing to do with them. And I have made up my mind that I will take you with me anyhow.
Dad, Grandma, both of you have taught me since childhood that having someone's trust is very precious. Trust should not be broken. Gungun trusts me very much. Her trust is unshakable. How can I break her trust and go to Barsana with both of you? I am sorry, but I cannot go.
Radha, why don't you understand, Radha? Everyone is correct. Everyone wants the same thing. I requested that your dad and grandma let you stay here. So now I am asking your grandma and dad to take you from here. Please, leave from here.
Are you also evicting me from this house, Mohan? Are you also supporting them?
Radha, please don't make it more difficult. Please don't create a scene and leave from here.
No. I will not leave. I entered this house to bring back your happiness. Mohan, the day you got engaged, you were not happy. And I noticed you. How could you be happy? There was a rift between you and Gungun. Isn't Gungun's happiness the key to your own happiness? I am telling you, after your marriage, Gungun will never be happy. That's why, once I am sure that there's no sadness or problems in your life, I will leave. I will leave this place. But until then, you do whatever you want. I'll not leave, Mohan.
Radha? Stop!
Radha, come over here.
Hey, stop!
Radha?
Radha! Radha, open the door.
Radha!
Radha, open the door.
No, Mohan. I won't open the door. I will neither leave this house nor come out.
Mohan, do you still think she is normal? Can't you see that her mental condition is not good at all?
Nothing has happened to her. She's absolutely fine.
Damini,
What?
both the ghost and that witch are locked in the same room. If they both get united, they will destroy both of us.
Nothing of the sort will happen, Mom. They can't do anything.
Both Radha and Tulsi are in the same room. What if Tulsi tries to contact Radha? What if Tulsi tries to use Radha to stop this wedding?
There are so many rooms in this house. Yet you entered this particular room, so it can't be a coincidence. It seems Lord Krishna wants us to talk to each other, Radha. He wants us to be friends. Radha?
Radha!
Who is it?
Radha, don't be afraid.
Show her yourself.
I'm Tulsi. Radha?
Radha? Radha, are you okay?
Listen, I need to talk to you. Please don't be afraid. I will not harm you. Radha!
Radha!
Radha! Who is it? Who is it?
Radha, why are you shouting?
It seems Tulsi is trying to talk to Radha.
Mom, Tulsi can't talk to Radha at all. She can only touch her. And Radha can neither see Tulsi nor hear her voice. And if Tulsi tries to touch Radha, then it's good for us because Radha will get scared and everyone will think that she has lost all her mind.
Look, I am not here to bother you. I'll stay here for a short period. I'll leave soon.
Radha, please, don't be afraid. I'm Tulsi. I just want to talk to you. Radha!
Radha! Oh, Lord Krishna!
Radha, why are you shouting?
That's because she has lost her mind, Mohan. She has lost her mental balance.
Will you be quiet? I am losing my mind.
Who are you? You are the same entity that I have sensed many times, right? I will not bother you. Why are you trying to talk to me? I am scared. Please don't do this. I am so scared.
Who is Radha talking to?
Is someone inside the room?
Who will be inside the room, lady? We all are standing outside. Actually, your granddaughter Radha has gone crazy.
Aren't you?
Radha, please, you don't have to be afraid of me. I am only trying to talk to you because we both need each other. Both of us have the same goal, Gungun and Mohan's happiness. That's why you and me have to become friends. Radha!
Listen, I'm really not here to bother you. I came here only for a short time. I'll leave soon. I can't leave the room just now. I'm not here to bother you. Please spare me. Please.
Radha!
Radha! Hey, Radha, are you okay, Radha? Why aren't you opening the door, Radha?
Radha, you can stay here as long as you want. I won't do anything to you. Please don't be afraid of me.
Radha!
Radha, please open the door.
Mom, we
Yes.
need to get Radha out of the room. Otherwise, Mohan will find out that someone is inside with her.
Oh no, that will be bad. If Mohan finds out that the spirit of his dead wife is inside that room and that Radha is also inside, then your wedding will get cancelled. Then why will he marry you? Be quiet, Mom.
Lord Krishna! Mohan!
Lord Krishna, please help me find a solution. I need to talk to Radha.
Please, please, please don't hurt me. Lord Krishna!
Radha, Radha, please listen to me. Please listen to me.
Lord Krishna, no!
Mohan,
Mohan, take it easy.
Radha!
Mohan!
Radha?
I won't do
Hey!
anything.
Radha?
No.
What happened? Are you okay, Radha?
Mohan, there is someone here. I am scared, Mohan.
No.
There is someone here.
No one is
Someone
here, Radha. You, come on, you get up.
I'm
No one
so
is here,
scared.
Radha. Get up. Take a
Someone
look.
is here.
No one is here, Radha.
Someone
Hey,
is
hey,
here,
Radha, Radha,
Mohan.
Radha. No,
I said
no one is
someone
here.
is here. Someone is
Radha. Hey, no one is here, Radha.
I felt someone. She has really lost her mind, Mohan. She's looking for an excuse to stay close to Mohan.
Damini, have you lost your mind? Can't you see Radha's condition?
I can see everything, Mohan. I can also see how concerned you are about Radha even now. Mohan, decide whether you want Radha or me. Look, she doesn't want to leave this house, but I do, Mohan. Just make a final decision.
Mohan, think carefully before you make a decision. Your decision concerns our Gungun's life.
Please, Dad. Let Radha stay here. Look at her once. She's not feeling well.
Grandma, take Radha with you. The longer she stays here, the worse her condition will be. Please, Grandma, take Radha away.
I won't go anywhere. I won't go.
Come on, Radha.
No, Mohan, please.
Radha, please come. Radha,
No,
let's
Grandma,
go.
Leave me, Grandma. No.
Radha, come with
I
me.
won't go.
Radha, come on.
Let's go, Radha.
I'm telling the
Let's
truth,
go.
Mohan. I won't
Radha,
go.
please.
Mohan, no.
This thread was tied at the entrance earlier. It was also tied around the mandap. What if the power I felt in this room cannot cross this thread? I think this power doesn't want to harm anyone. This power isn't evil.
Let's go.
Mohan, no. Mohan,
Let's go, Radha.
don't do this, Mohan. Don't do this. Mohan.
Thank you, Radha, for breaking this protective thread. I am free.
Leave, Radha.
No, no, I won't go. Please trust me, Mohan.
Radha, didn't I trust you? And because of that trust, I even suspected Damini, but what happened after that? She turned out to be innocent. She didn't do anything wrong. I have to fulfill the promise I made to Damini. Now I have to marry Damini.
I just know that the way you threw Radha out today, Damini will surely throw me out too someday.
You have no one in that house. Everyone has turned their back on you. Forget that family and forget Mohan.
My love finally won. I am very happy today.
Was this victory fueled by love, Damini?